So here we are at our business premises in Allgäu in North Darmstadt, Germany. It's a completely family-run business, but we also have 56 other employees who work either on the farm or in our agricultural and municipal service businesses. We bought our first Fendt tractor in 1978. And since then, we've only ever bought Fendt tractors. All in all, that's 21 brand new machines we've had from Fendt. 10 of the tractors are still in use. The smallest is a 50 horsepower tractor and the largest is a 415 horsepower 942. In terms of harvesting equipment, we actually got a new Fendt combine last year. So it's just done its first year with us. It has good visibility, produces good results and is easy to operate, so it's good to work with, I must say. Well, it's a Fendt after all. The harvesting work is down to me. I've been doing it for a long time. In fact, this was my 58th harvest season, and I still enjoy it. That's 58 years I've been driving a combine, and I intend to continue doing it for as long as I can. In previous years, I've used other makes of combine for the harvest, so it's been an adjustment, but I got used to working with the Fendt fairly quickly. It helped that we already drive Fendt tractors. It's identical. Yes, all the controls are based on Fendt and developed by Fendt, so in that sense, I didn't find it too hard, I must say. I got used to working with the machine in a relatively short space of time. We also make around 3,200 to 3,500 round bales, depending on the weather and how much straw is produced. The bales are then sold on to horse stables. We've been doing it all with a Fendt baler for the past 4 years. It's everything I could wish for in a baler. We use the Cargo telehandler commercially too, not just for agricultural purposes. We use it for loading compost, spreading farmyard manure, loading contracts, and for gathering and stacking bales in the barn. Those are its main jobs because it has a high reach, which means you can stack bales really high up. Aside from that, we also use it for waste disposal. We got the machine originally from bringing in the straw, so its first jobs for us were to remove the straw bales from the field and store them in the barn. It's really sturdy, and even in terms of visibility, we think it's the best on the market. It's a really comfortable machine and very pleasant to drive because of its spring-suspended cab. I'd have to say the key advantage of sticking with the Fendt brand is the quality of the manufacturing. That's the main thing. But a machine is only as good as the dealership or network. In agriculture these days, the implements are all used seasonally. When it's time to start harvesting, they have to work. And that's when you can tell how reliable a dealership is. It all depends on whether the workshop springs into action during the harvest season. And that's always been the case so far, even on weekends. That gives you an indication of the overall service, the full package you get with the Fendt brand, the overall service package that's included. When you're happy with a dealership, a happy customer makes a repeat customer. If you're happy, you stick around, but if you're not, you go elsewhere.